Okay, so from the top, we're gonna reach in here, making sure that we clear everything with this bracket. See that? So it doesn't hit nothing. So we're going straight up. And voila! Old cable is out. Old cables compared to the new cables. Let's see. Look at this cable. What the hell is this crap? So that's a bad cable. Good cable. And then when we look at the lengths of these, as you can see, that one looks like it's a little bit longer. So probably definitely bad. Yeah, that one stretches out way further than that other one does. So there's no kind of tension on there. Alright, so I'll put the other one back in, and that's how you change these cables. Same way you took them out, you put them right back in. Good luck. Drop a like.